I'll start it for you, okay? See, you pull that off. And you tear it off. This is from Aunt Jody and Cousin Tori and Uncle Evan. It's your Christmas present. Rip it. Tear it. There you go. Rip it off. There you go. Good job. Tear it. Tear it. Yeah. There you go. Very well wrapped, isn't it? Okay, oh, now we got tape. Alright, we're gonna... There you go. Look, look what's in the box. Look what's in the box. Look what's in the box. What is that? Ooh, what is it?
Bye-bye.
Pull it out of there. Are you wrapping it back up? Let's see, what do we got? Check it out. Yeah. Oh, and it's strapped in there too. Well, let's say thank you. Say thank you. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Let's sing and play games.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, we're going to take it apart now and play with it. Thank you, Aunt Jody. Thank you, Uncle Evan. Thank you, Cousin Tori. Yeah.
Can you give me a hug?
Give him a hug. Give him a hug. Can you give him a hug? Too busy.